You were looking at me, aren't you? Yeah. Well, I'm telling you where we go. Yeah. Go. Tonight we're gonna watch a footy game. Side on footy game. This way. Eyes down. Yeah, that looks good. You can see my mouth move like a fish capping for water. Oh, look at the sugar cane. Turn around a bit, yeah. Yeah, what are you looking at me for, huh? You? I'm gonna punch you, hit you in the nose. Ha 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 ha. I don't know. Those goodbyes so quickly, and I'm not achieving all the things I want to do. Yeah. Hello. How are you? Adam is calling. Hello. Why am I moving so slowly? I really don't know. Yeah, let's say, yeah, that's correct. How do you say? Aren't you gonna go into the water? Aren't you gonna go into the water, son? Huh? Aren't you gonna go into the water? You should be right. You should be right going into the water. It's only wet, you see? It's only wet. Oh, Adam is going for a swim. Oh, it's already down there. Soon he's gonna make a plunge. He's gonna plunge right into the soup. The soup. He's gonna take a plunge. Is the water cold, Eddie? Yeah, it must be cold, so cold, because he's closing his eyes when he jumps into the water. Yeah.
Oh my God, it's cold, Dad.
Oh yeah, God, is the water cold, eh? Oh well, put your head in the water, it might get warmer. Oh, suck my thumb, eh? Suck my thumb. Oh, it's good. Hey, we've got some very strange business to talk to you about. Strange business. Now this is Louis' voice. You can't talk with Louis' voice. No, never. Oh my God, look at that. Look what I can do, huh? You have no idea. I think my eyes sit up too high. Oh, here comes Adam. I'm gonna mack. Swim in my mouth. Come on, I open my mouth. Ooh, got you. Oh, poof. Not tasty. Too tough. Much too tough. I better suck my thumb again. Yep. La 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 la. Hey, mate. Yes. Can I help you? No, not really. What do you want from me, huh? Oh, I don't want anything from you. I'm just looking at you, that's all. And I'm allowed to look at you. At the same time I stare at the camera to see what it looked like. So don't look so stupid at me. No, I am not looking stupid at you. I think you're a very lovely little froggy. Just have to hold the picture further away. Yes, you do, you little clump. You little clump, you little clump. Now listen to me. I'm telling you how to talk, how to make out your stories. I tell you not to move your lips. You understand? You? Hey? Yeah. Okay, what do you want me to do? Now you just be quiet. You don't talk at all, right? Don't make sure you move your lips. Don't. Do not just do not stutter. I like do not stutter. What's that got to do with peanut butter? Everything you say, do not stutter. I will recognize that you don't move your lips. You understand your log. Want me to screw out your nose like this? Ah! Oh, you naughty. You naughty, you naughty. Yeah. Ah! Say ah. A D C D E F T J K L M N O P Q R S T U C. I know the alphabet. You don't know it. I do. Hooray! I do. Woof, woof. You're not reacting, Dizzy? What is the matter with you? Would you like to watch the lens? Watch yourself.
He's pretty muscly too, you know.
Yeah, nothing wrong. He's got all the muscles that other dogs have.
Well, that's all muscle there, eh? He's just a bit of fat that covers it up.
Oh, his fat is mainly stored on his chest.
Yes, boy. Killer.
Oh, I didn't take my stick.
He's tough. Playing soccer. He's playing soccer.
Play soccer.
Louis playing soccer. Hey, you guys. Kick it around. Kick it around, Louis.
Come on, play soccer, boy. Play soccer.
Play soccer.
Come on, play soccer. We watch you playing soccer. You did it really well. You did it really well, my little bugger. Good job playing soccer. Good job. Looks like you ripped the head off.
Daisy, be very careful. It's a rat, and the rats have teeth. And a rat with teeth can't bite you. So don't get too close. You better stomp on your rat because I have the teeth and I'm gonna rip the heads off. So be careful, Daisy. Very, very careful. Don't bury your nose into the hole. You might lose your face when there's a giant rat in there. Yeah, absolutely. Leave the hunting up to me. I'm the special agent for silvery rats. Yeah.
Oh, Louis, you can hunt rats on your own. I'm not interested in your little fancy little specialty nourishment. You can have it all. I have roots. I'm a rooted dog, and I eat only that. Hey, there you go. It's all mine. It's all mine. Get away. Get away. Wow. Wow. Wow.
No, this is mine. It's mine. It's a little rat. No roots. Don't bite my dick. I got it. Come here. Oh. Where is it? Escaping somewhere. No. I've got it between my teeth. Don't get it. It's a giant one. It'll bite your ass off. Quick. Move. Ow. It's biting on my leg. Where is it now?
DJ. Oh, shut up, DJ. Oh, shut up, Louis. Come on. I take my roots. I take my my dessert. Don't know what you think, but yeah. Oh, disappeared. Whoa. There you go. I don't want your rat, Dizzy, Louis.